Hi guys, I know that you all are feeling very bored in the home quarantine, right? Many of my subscribers told me to upload new tutorial videos by that they can improve themselves in the time. Yep, I think it's better than feeling bored in home alone. And in the time we can improve our trees also. By the way, today we are going to discuss about our old stuffs or old materials. I think we all have some stuffs in which we are not satisfied. Yep, I'm telling about the root structure. Some of our trees, the nebari isn't good enough, but we can throw it away because they are our old stuffs. I also had to face that kind of problems, but don't worry, I have a solution to rectify it. And one thing, don't skip the video, neither you can miss the perfect technique. I think you will suggest to subscribe this channel to your friends, because I think that you are my dear soulmate. And don't go away without any reaction. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, neither a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. And please keep commenting. Okay? Yeah, here it is one of my old bougainvillea stuff. I cut that branch and propagate a new one. You can follow my another video about it. The video link is in the description box below. Now I'm confused about this old stuff. The nebari is beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful from that side, but for the branch placement I have to select this side as the back. And now if will I select this side as my front, the branch placement is okay, but the root formation is not good enough. There are many different ways to rectify that problem. Root grafting is one of them, and you can follow my another video about this grafting. The link is in the description box below. Today I'm going to show you my secret technique that I didn't disclose before, so stick around.